What's going on, my Weldtube family, and welcome back. Today, this is some exciting news. We got invited here at the Miller facility here in Houston, Texas. Crazy, man, check it out. They called me here today to test out some products, test out some machines. Let's see how it goes. Let's go inside, come on. All right, my Weldtube family, like I said, we're here at the Houston facility in Miller. Here you got sub-arc station over here. You got everything here, man. It's all blue, all nice, all clean. I love it. We're gonna go over here to the Pipework 400. Come on this way, come follow me. Got the guys working busy over there, doing what they need to do. Man, this machine does absolutely wonders, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. We got the rollout station right over here. We're gonna roll some MIG right on here. Check this out. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set up another pipe on there. Schedule 40 pipe, run a root pass on there, see what it does, man, because I heard great things about this machine, so let's see what it does. Come on this side. This thing, like I said, this thing does wonders, okay? It has TIG, stick, MIG, it can weld pretty much anything, okay? This Pipework 400 has been about maybe 3 or 4 years out, okay? But at the end of the day, just by a flip of a switch, if I want to go to stick welding, right now I'm on MIG, okay? I'm on MIG welding. If I want to go to stick, all I got to do is this, ready to go. That's simple. You don't have to switch polarities or anything like that. So very simple, very easy, very convenient at the end of the day. So that's the main thing, okay? Also, if I want to go to TIG, go right there, lift arc, right there, just a push of a button. Very simple, very easy, okay? Right now I'm gonna go ahead and get my gloves on, my hood on. I'm gonna go ahead and go to town on this pipe, man. See what it does. And see how this Miller runs, okay? I heard great things about these. Let's do it. It's crazy to be here, man. It's an honor to be here. Here we got the Miller Dynasty 400 right over here. We're gonna do some little dabbing, also a little bit of wiggling the cup on some T-joints. So come on this way and I'll show you. About some 2 pizza plates here. I'm gonna get some, throw a little T-joint. Okay, I'm gonna tack these up. I'm gonna go ahead and wiggle the cup across and I'm gonna dab it on the other side. See how this machine works, man. This machine does wonders. So let's try it out, guys. Let's do it.